refrigerator GE French source with the energy saving problem. A lot of people had trouble with this refrigerator because the refrigerator is leaking water all over. And the whole problem is at the control panel, it's supposed to be a button for the energy saving, but they don't have it anymore. When you replace the touchpad, you have to take the panel out and deactivate the energy saving manually because it's no button to do it. The button is supposed to be in the right side, in the middle. You can do it without taking the electronic control apart, just with the screwdriver. You can put it to the sides and deactivate it. That's going to make the heaters at the Muji on start working. That way you don't have water anymore in the gaskets or in the dividers. After you do this, you have to wait about 24 hours to see the results. Yeah, because the energy saving sometimes a little longer because it's a lot of water accumulated.
Okay.
But it's not button here. And that's the
So you
the
have
whole
to
problem.
open up and do it?
And do it like this.
Okay. So there's nothing I could have done, right?
Look, now it's on.
Yep.
Now it's on.
Okay.
But it's
Right.
they eliminated.
Yeah.
It's a this is a tricky repair.
Yeah. Okay. So I should be good?